Welcome to Maritime, Pakistan. Today, we're breaking down the UN's new report on Strait of Hormuz disruptions. So, the Strait of Hormuz, it's an absolutely critical shipping lane for the whole world.
Yeah, it's a major choke point, so any disruption here sends ripples across the entire globe.
Just think about it. A full quarter of all seaborne oil sails right through here. And when you look at just crude oil, that number jumps to a massive 38%. It's not just oil. A third of the world's seaborne fertilizers also depend on the strait.
So what happens when it all just stops? Recent escalations basically shut things down.
You can see the impact right here. Look how traffic just fell off a cliff in early March. I mean, a 97% drop in just a few days. That's a near total shutdown.
This hits energy supplies hard, and Asia gets the worst of it, taking over 80%.
And of course, energy markets freaked out. Oil and gas prices shot through the roof.
But it doesn't stop with energy. That's just the first domino in a long chain.
We've seen this movie before. When oil prices go up, so does food. Same for gas and fertilizer.
And shipping costs themselves? Well, they've just soared. Look at this junk for clean tankers.
The fuel ships actually use, that cost has literally doubled, 100%.
And then there's insurance. War risk premiums for ships have just exploded, a 300% surge.
So, the big question is, who ends up paying for all this? You guessed it, the most vulnerable.
Yeah, developing countries like Pakistan are hit especially hard. They really need those fertilizer imports.
As the UN says, this puts immense pressure on household budgets that are already stretched thin. So the UN report leaves us with 4 big takeaways for everyone to think about. We hope that you liked today's video. Post your questions in the comments section for future videos.